Hi, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to run a successful sponsored ad from your Instagram account for your shop or small business on your iPhone. First, you must switch your account to a professional account. Click on the profile icon. Then, click Settings and Privacy. Now, click on the search icon and type Professional Account. From here, click on Switch to Professional Account. Then, follow the steps. Now when you finish, the boost icon will appear on your posts. You can make a sponsored ad on an old post, but I will make a new post to clear some important things to ensure success. Of course, you can make the funded ad for a story or reels in the same way. Before a new post boost, you need to prepare your photos or video. You can take a photo to your product or make a simple design from your mobile by using photo editing apps such as Pixar to edit your photos. For example, this photo. Click on crop icon here. Then, make sure you are in the correct size of the Instagram image post. And the best option here, this one with the Instagram logo. Now click on Apply. Finally, click on Save icon. But if your ad is a video, the right size for the post is 1350, 1080, which is 4 to 5. And you can use an app to choose the right size, such as the VN app. Now go back to the Instagram app. Then, click on the plus icon to create a new post. Here, click on this icon, then choose your photos. Click on Next. Next again. Now here, you have to write a caption related to your product, such as the name of the product, the price, your address, and a phone number. And also write hashtags related to your product. For example, food cat. Then you must turn on this choice, Boost Post. Now to post it, click on Share. Immediately, this page will open, and you should select a goal for this ad. There are 3 goals. The first goal is more profile visits, which means a button will appear in your ad to visit Instagram profile. And this goal can increase your followers. Now, the second goal is more website visits if you have a website. Third goal, more messages. A button will appear in your ad to send message from customers asking about the product. Which is the best for me? Then, click on the next icon. Now the second step is to determine the target audience of the funded ad. Instagram gives you the option to create an automatic audience, but I prefer to create my audience by clicking on Create Your Own. Now here, write the name of the audience. Then click on Locations. There are 2 types, regional or local. The local location can be targeted by specifying this circle on the map, and you must activate the location. But the regional here for more targeted results specifying the city or cities you want. Then, the audience size will appear here. Finally, click on Done. Now click on the interest here. Now write several interests related to your product, then click on Done. Now click on Age and Gender to choose the age range and gender for your ad. Go back. This option is useful for advertising. And after that, click on Done, then click on the Next. Now determine the budget and the duration. The duration means how many days you want to run the ad, and the budget means how much you want to spend on the ad daily. If you choose to spend $10 per day, you can reach up 4,000 to 10,000 people on Instagram in 7 days. Here is the estimated total cost. Now, changing the budget and duration will affect on the number of the people to be reached. Then click on Next. Here is a review of your ad's goal, target audience, budget, and duration. Finally, you need to add a payment method. Click here and choose a credit card or PayPal. I'll choose a credit card, then click on Next. Here fill out your card information, then click on Save. As shown here, the car successfully saved. Click on Done, and finally click on Boost Post. Now my ad is in review. The process may take up to 24 hours. Click on OK here. Then the ad has been published, and later on to view the results, click on View Insights. Now, here are all the results and analysis. Scroll down to delete or stop the ad. If you want to delete a card or payment method, click on Settings and Privacy, then click on Creator and Tools. Then click on Add Payments. Now tap on Payment Methods, and here choose your card. Then click on Remove, and that's it. If you like our channel idea, please subscribe to support us. Thanks for watching.